Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix there was a problem processing your purchase. Please try again. So guys, when you want to purchase YouTube Premium on your iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone or iPad, and after this you need to scroll it down, click on general, and from here you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN here, you need to disconnect your VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your app store here, and here you need to search YouTube. After opening your YouTube here, you need to check for update. And guys, if you are using oldest version of YouTube, you need to update your YouTube app, and after doing this you have to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, and click on iPhone storage. From here you have to open your YouTube app, and guys, after this you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, maybe there's problem on your payment method. So guys, you have to open your settings here and click on your Apple ID name, and from here you will see the option of payment and shipping. You have to click on it, and guys, after this you will see your payment method. So guys, simply you have to update your payment method or add a new payment method here, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the possible way to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.